Hi everyone, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to change a PDF from landscape to portrait mode. This is a super handy trick, whether you're editing documents or preparing files for printing. And before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. The first step is to open File Explorer and locate your PDF file. Once you've found it, right-click on the file. From the context menu, select Open with Microsoft Edge. Step 2. Next, navigate to the Print dialog box by pressing Ctrl-P or selecting the Print option in the browser. Look for the layout settings here, and you'll find the option to select Portrait Mode. Since we're converting to Portrait Mode, select Portrait. You'll notice the preview updates instantly to reflect this change. Step 3. Once you're satisfied with the new layout, click on the Print or Save button. A new window will appear, asking you to name your file and choose where to save it. Enter a file name, and finally click Save. And that's it! You've successfully converted your PDF from landscape to portrait mode. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.